We're here for you, the intelligent lighting control expert. Headquartered in Shenzhen. With ISO 9001 qualified. A national high-tech enterprise in China with over 380 employees. Factory with over 12,000 square meters. The annual sales are growing at a high rate of 30 to 40% per year. And technology-driven company, we focus on intelligent lighting control and founded in 2007. All products have 5-year warranty. Most products are approved by the world's most important safety and reliability certification UL, TÜV, ENEC, FCC, SAA, and RoHS compliant. Has a number of patents and inventions. Sunricher has a variety of intelligent lighting control systems, which can meet different requirements. KNX system, DMX system, Dolly system, RF system, Zigbee system, Z-Wave system, 0 to 10 volt system, CAN bus hotel system, SR bus Bluetooth system. Most Sunricher control systems are officially certified and in a leading position of the industry with strong international competitiveness. Fully meet customers' customization requirements. We provide tailored ODM and OEM services, customer customization, and after-sales service. Elegant design, high cost-effective products, long-lasting R&D capability. One supplier to provide a full line of product portfolio. All these ensure customers' approval to us. Therefore, Sunricher has been considered as a leader in the field of intelligent lighting control in China. Worldwide market. Components and raw materials are imported from world's top-ranking suppliers. We are a TÜV ISO certified factory with a full set of mature manufacturing process control and quality management system. A talented and experienced R&D team ensure that our products will always be in the leading position in the market. Professional incoming raw material inspection. SMT workshop, rigorous requirements of dust-proof and anti-static electricity. We pay much attention to the test of product prototype, and much verification test has been done to ensure reliability of the product. Finished product will be 100% full tested before packaging. Quality assurance check will be executed according to 40% standard.